Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase investment diversity with eTrade, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your eTrade account. If you don't have an account, create one by providing the necessary information. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Markets tab, which will offer a range of investment options. Explore the different asset classes available, such as stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Select stocks to view individual company options. Use the search feature to find specific stocks of interest. Review essential data, including price trends and company performance. Next, consider adding bonds to your portfolio for added stability. Navigate to the Fixed Income section under the Markets tab. Browse different bond types and their associated yields. Once you've identified suitable bonds, click to add them to your watch list. After exploring stocks and bonds, access the ETFs section. Research various ETFs that provide instant diversification across sectors. Evaluate the performance history and expense ratios of the ETFs. To increase diversity, consider international markets. Look in the Global Markets section for international stocks and funds. Consider sector funds that target specific industries for balanced exposure. Now that you've identified various assets, create a strategy. Define your risk tolerance to determine the type and proportion of investments. Use *Trade's portfolio analysis tools to assess your current holdings. Analyze how your current assets align with your investment goals. Rebalance your portfolio as needed to maintain diversity. Regularly review your investment strategy based on market conditions. Market trends can affect your asset allocation, so stay informed. Take advantage of *Trade's educational resources for continuous learning. Utilize their research tools for in-depth analysis of potential investments. Once you feel confident in your strategy, finalize your investment decisions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.